Hey guys, it's Poochie. Did you hear that I wrote a book? Yes, I wrote a book. It is called eBay Profits Unleash, Your Ultimate Guide to Making Money on eBay. What's it have in it? Well, let's go through it. So it basically goes through everything that you need to start and run or improve your eBay business if you already have an eBay business. It goes through a little of the history of eBay and how eBay came to be. Now, if you're going to set up a successful eBay business, the first thing you need to do is set up your account the right way. The first thing you do is create an account. The second thing you do is create a store name and a logo. This is going to be your brand. And if you think, oh, I'm just going to sell some things on eBay, you don't know how big this could grow. This could grow into a full-time business. You could be the next Warren Buffett.
Excellent.
So you want to start off the right way. So store name and logo are very important. And then you want to set up your payment methods. You want to, if you're doing it as a sole proprietor, set it up in your name. If you're doing it as a business, set it up in the business name for payments. And Elvis and I can tell you, the most important thing in selling on eBay is understanding eBay's policies.
Learn it, know it, live it.
You do not want to break any rules or policies that can get you possibly suspended, banned, or lower you in visibility in eBay searches. So that is step one from the very messy home office.
Clean up in all the aisles.
If you want to learn more in detail, make sure you buy my book. I'm going to link it down below in the description. It is available on Amazon, Amazon paperback or Kindle. It is called eBay Profits Unleashed, your guide to making money on eBay.